this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Isuzu D-Max, stock number 6712. This ran from the 8th 2014 to the 10th 2016. It's a 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,